Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about how XRP may replace the dollar. So in an article published by the Blockchain Research Institute entitled Reinventing International Clearing and Settlement, the paper provided details in regards to developments involving cross-border payments and settlement procedures which arise between financial bodies around the world. So the paper provided details surrounding how a number of developments which are currently occurring, especially in terms of DLT and blockchain, could be integrated into financial activities around the world, especially again in terms of cross-border payments and FX transactions. So the paper initially detailed the importance of FX exchanges and transactions in enabling the exchange of value between varying financial bodies, including banks around the world, where the utility of FX trading will mean that settlement procedures in terms of the sending of funds between banks will be validated. So currently FX transactions are validated and enabled through the active utility of fiat. However, the usage of fiat in these actions come with a number of limitations, especially in terms of long waiting times in regards to the validation of transactions which arise between financial bodies, especially between banks, and the sending of funds between these financial bodies are also extremely costly. So the paper provided details and gave examples of a number of fintech organizations which are seeking to improve the efficiency, especially in regards to the sending of datasets between varying financial bodies around the world. So the paper referenced to Ripple and Ripple's innovations and use cases, especially the XRP cryptocurrency, as a means of improving the efficiency surrounding cross-border payments, and XRP acting as liquidity to enable the sending of financial activities between varying bodies around the world. So the paper referenced to how Ripple's innovations, including ripplenet, is being used by financial services as we speak, including the likes of American Express and Santander, where both organizations utilize ripplenet to enable transatlantic payments to be validated at lower cost and at faster rates compared to the usage of legacy cross-border payment infrastructure and payment methodology. The paper also mentioned to the other intrinsic qualities attached to the XRP ledger, where the XRP ledger is a lot faster compared to other blockchain and DLT networks, including the Bitcoin network and the Ethereum blockchain. And this is coupled with the extremely cost-effective nature surrounding the XRP ledger compared to the mentioned networks. So as well as the intrinsic qualities associated with the XRP ledger in terms of its scalability, its cost-effectiveness, and its high throughput, the XRP ledger could be incorporated between financial services. So the mentioned intrinsic qualities attached to the XRP ledger, especially in terms of its scalability, its high throughput, and its cost-effective nature, could be a reason as to why financial bodies take on the benefits provided by the XRP ledger and the XRP cryptocurrency in itself to enable the active validation of the interconversion between varying currencies at a given time, where, as detailed by the paper, XRP could be the de facto intermediary currency which sees XRP enabling the interconversion of one currency into another currency. So the potential direct incorporation of the XRP ledger, especially in terms of enabling the connectivity of varying financial bodies, including banks around the world, is coupled with the XRP ledger potentially being incorporated into developments including cbdc's in the near future, where central banks around the world are looking to roll out cbdc's in the near future. However, cbdc's come with a number of drawbacks despite their innate qualities, where potential limitations surrounding the utility of cbdc offerings includes the lack of interoperability between such networks. In a discussion paper published by Ripple detailed the need for a means of liquidity which will encompass and validate cross-border payments which could arise between varying cbdc's, where the active utility of XRP as liquidity will mean that cbdc's can be interconverted at a given time, and this could see the XRP ledger being a neutral bridge asset which sees the frictionless value movement of varying cbdc's. So Ripple has actually designed a protocol which is geared towards enabling the interconversion between varying cbdc's when cbdc's will be eventually rolled out on the open market, where Ripple's interledger protocol, which takes on the benefits provided by the XRP ledger, acts as an intermediary neutral channel which enables varying cbdc's to interact and interconvert. Yeah, so this is a diagrammatic indication of how XRP could be the underlying asset which enables FX transactions to emerge between varying financial bodies around the world. So the need for cbdc interoperability, especially in terms of FX transactions, was actually echoed by a paper published by the Bank for International Settlement entitled Central Bank Digital Currencies, System Design and Interoperability, where the paper mentioned to the benefits associated with CBDCs and how CBDCs will become a keystone within financial activities which arise around the world in the near future. So with the innate qualities attached to the XRP ledger and the XRP cryptocurrency in itself, this could be a reason as to why XRP could be at the center, especially surrounding CBDC developments around the world, and it could lead to XRP becoming the de facto FX reserve currency. What are your thoughts on XRP? Do you think XRP will be the de facto FX asset which enables the cross conversion of varying currencies? Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching, Crypto Clan. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.